How do we prepare our TLC chamber? You will first get a 100 ml beaker, and in that 100 ml beaker, you will go ahead and add the 4 to 5 ml of the mobile phase or the TLC solution that you need to place. You will also get a sunny side up filter paper, and you will get a TLC plate. You need to cover the top portion with aluminum foil just enough that the glass part or the walls are not covered with this aluminum foil. You just want a covering here so the vapors do not evaporate out. You will then place your TLC next to this beaker. When you will place the TLC next to the beaker, which will be outside, you will place a mark on this TLC above this solvent level. You will then put little tiny intersections for your TLC to be spotted on. It is on these intersections that you will want to place your TLC spots on. When you take out the TLC plate, make sure that you mark that place. There should be some dry space up here and there should be some wet part. Majority of your TLC plate should be wet and only a little part should be left dry. When you take that out, you have to mark it with a pencil, starting from the line of origin to this dot. You will get the distance of the spot. Whereas starting from the line of origin to this particular mark which you had made with your own pencil, you will get the D solvent. Both of them are in centimeters and hence they will cancel out. There will be no units for RF, but you have to pay attention to the significant figures. For this particular experiment, I will mark a C and a S. C as the authentic caffeine and S being the experimental solution that I'm going to get from my particular experiment. So while these 5 minutes were going on and your solution was drying off, you have prepared your TLC chamber. You will quickly get a TLC capillary, dip your material in it and spot it at the site of S. Once you have spotted it, check under the UV light that you are able to see a concentrated spot for S here. Once you have assured of that, you will go to the fume hood and then transfer this liquid on a pre-weighed watch glass. Remember, if you have transferred this material on your bench and you're walking with this watch glass towards the fume hood, I will take your performance points off.